All right, we just got this East Oak Torch Fire Cove patio heater, 50,000 BTUs. Let's open it up. Gonna show you how it all comes together, and let's get it fired up. Always retract your blade when you're done using it. All right, let's see how the unboxing here. I like the powder coating on that. That looks really nice. But came well protected in this plastic sleeve. Pull this part off here. It's in a really compact box, which is pretty nice, and this thing's pretty tall. So I believe it's about 8 feet tall, all put together. All right, there's the drum. Look at that. Really pretty stainless steel top there. Little gasket on here to protect your hands if you need to reach in to be able to turn the tank on and off once it's put together. And we have this part here. Set that down there gently. Okay, all the parts out of here. Comes with a nut and bolt kit. So we have everything we need. They always come with a wrench, which is nice. I like to grab my own wrench though, just because it's a little more handy and fits better. I don't know what the size is, so I'll have to take one of the bolts or the nuts to be able to find out what 2 sizes I need. But it's nice that they label everything, and then they label it on the other side too, so when you go to open it up, everything's perforated, but you can find which bolt you actually need. So that's really handy to be able to have. Set that there. All right. East Oak, nice little instruction sheets. Open that up. We have our claim your 3-year warranty. Wow, 3-year warranty. That's pretty nice. And then your owner's manual that goes with it. Good parts. Everything's well padded here and well packaged, which is a really nice thing to be able to have for these different parts. Here's our cross pieces that go off the base to be able to form the structure that the top propane cover will go off of. A propane heater is just such a nice thing to be able to have for those cooler evenings. You can take more advantage of your outdoor space as the weather starts to cool. That's a nice handy thing. This is in here is the burner. So I'm not going to open it all the way, but that's the burner there. And I'll wait for the final steps to be able to break that out. Wheels, that's nice. It comes on wheels, so you can move it around where you'd like it to go. And then here's the base that goes on with that. All right, let's move this box out of the way. With the unboxing of this, it was great to be able to see the quality of the parts in here. Everything came really well packaged. Has a beautiful finish on it. I like the stainless steel top. Has the protection rings here to keep your hands and items from getting scratched up on the metal edges. It goes inside there, all the pass-through on the other side. But everything here, really high quality, and that's really nice to see that on here. Inside this box here is the burner. Let's get to the assembly instructions and put this thing together. It's nice just giving the instructions a look over, real easy to be able to follow. Good clear instructions on here. The assembly has been going really great so far, super smooth. Gonna put the top on now. Fits in, you can see it's coming together very nicely. Looking forward to that. All right, so the next step here is to get the heating element put on. I'm holding the box with my feet because the heating element is heavy, so I want to make sure that the box doesn't actually tip over and get dented. All right, so we're gonna run the line through there. I'm not bolting anything down yet. I want to make sure that things are lined up properly, have the instruction sheet lined up with the igniter. It is coming together. Very exciting. Now I'm just gonna put together the shroud and then we'll be ready to start this up. Hand me one of these and one of those, please. Thank you. All right, we got this fully assembled just in the nick of time for it to be getting dark out and needing the heater. But it was really nice and easy to be able to put on here. You can see the quality construction. One of the perks of being tall is that I can reach up above it to be able to show you these aerial views of the whole thing, but came together really nice. I'm excited about this surface too. It's somewhat flat, so you could utilize that as a cup holder as well. But it has the anti-tipping legs on it, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. I'm gonna get ready to put a propane tank in this thing and fire it up. All right, I got my propane tank here, and this comes with a nice safety strap to hold the propane tank in place. And then we have our hose to be able to connect to the propane tank. So we'll go ahead and bring the propane tank up in here. Put the safety strap around it. Fasten that on there. You can tighten it down, but I'm not too worried about it coming out. And then we'll go ahead and screw this on here. All right. Hose is pretty long there, so we'll just angle it in a little bit. Open the tank all the way up, and then we'll bring the cover down. It's nice that this has the little bolts right there to be able to hold the cover in place. Bring this down here, cover it. So it gives it a nice appearance being the propane tank covered. Hi there. All right. And then we'll go through. So the instructions here are you push in to get the gas flowing. So you can hear the gas flowing there. So we'll go through and we'll push and then hit the igniter. Ooh. And then you hold it down for a couple seconds to let the heating element warm up. And then we can release the primer there. And then we can turn it up and down. There it is. Oh, do you feel that heat? Yeah, it feels really warm, huh? Yeah, that feels so nice. This will make the outdoor evening so much nicer. Yeah.
This gives off amazing heat. It looks super stylish in our yard too. And I just love that you can set your cup here when you're having a party. It's just another area to gather around and hang out and socialize.